The wonders of life got the breeze.
Oh my goodness,
Oh,
it's so
wow.
good.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I just got to Big Lots and I am so excited because I feel like in the past I have hit the decor jackpot at Big Lots. So I cannot wait to find some decorations because I'm gonna be cleaning and decorating Gigi's house for her for Christmas this year. And I'd like to thank Big Lots for partnering with me for today's video because I seriously love shopping here. I've done videos in the past of shop with me's at Big Lots because I love their decor and I cannot wait for you to see what's in store right now.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow.
These are so soft. Leash sheets, these are crazy soft.
Text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I missed your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. It's so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, yeah. Jolly holiday, 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 yeah. Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday.
Seriously, isn't Big Lots Christmas decor just so pretty? And it's so affordable for you too.
Let's have a jolly holiday.
So I happened to walk into the new Dream Street aisle, and mamas, you should check this section out for decorating your little one's rooms. They have the cutest bedding and decor. It's unicorn themed, there's a mermaid theme, there's also an adorable sports theme, and a woodland theme that was beyond cute. I seriously wish Landon and Presley's rooms were in one of these themes. I'm like so tempted to change up their rooms, but I had to share this with my mamas watching because everything in this line is so affordable. The prices start at $5.99, and some of the larger furniture items was like under $80. So you cannot beat these prices for really cute stuff. And you could definitely find some great holiday gifts in this section too. And since Landon loves playing soccer, I ended up picking up this soccer ball pillow for him, and he loves it. He sleeps with it every night since I gave it to him. So here is the Dream Street sheet set that I got for in Presley's room when she gets her big girl bed. These can be her sheet set for in here. I thought the gold looked really cute with the color. But you can find these new Dream Street products in store and online. I will have a link down below for you so that you can check them all out for your kids. But I'm just so excited that I found this for you at Big Lots today.
Please tell me
I do. Gigi doesn't know it. I'm gonna be pimping out Gigi's house tomorrow when I decorate. I am so so freaking excited. They had the cutest stuff, but I would just highly recommend checking out Big Lots. I'll have a link down below, whether it's the new Dream Street stuff for your kiddos or any kind of decor for your home. Big Lots has just upped their game. I'm obsessed with their decor. I know you will love it too. And I cannot wait to take you along so that you can decorate with me at Gigi's house tomorrow. Okay, Coley, turn on the camera. It's like everything goes crazy. I'm at my grandma's house, Gigi's house, and I'm gonna be decorating her family room space here and her dining room space in there. So I'll give you a proper before, and then we'll get to cleaning and decorating in here. Here's a little sneak peek at all the decorations. I kind of set them out so I know what I'm working with. There's Papa heating up his coffee. And I've also got some pillows down there too. So the first thing I did was take down all of my grandma's decor on her mantle, everything off her couch. And if you've never watched my vlogs before, Gigi stands for great grandma because she's my grandma and the kids' great grandma. When I was a little girl and my mom and dad would be gone when my mom would sing every night on the weekends, I would always stay over here at my grandma's house. And then when I was working 9 to 5, she watched Landon from the time he was born. She watched Presley her first year too until I started doing YouTube full time. So when they say everyone has a talent, it's like my mom can sing and my grandma's is definitely taking care of kids. She spoiled me rotten. She loves my kids like crazy. So Landon, Presley, and I are unbelievably close to her and my grandpa, and we don't know what we would do without them. They seriously support our family so much, and I'm so grateful for them. So it was really special for me to get to decorate her house and do something nice for her, for all the nice things that she does for us. I'd found some gorgeous gold and silver and navy decor for the mantle in here, which I just thought would look so pretty against the stone. It's sort of a nice juxtaposition with this rustic background with the glam. And the only thing she requested, she didn't care about colors or anything like that. She just wanted a blanket that would completely cover her couch. So I got a queen size throw at Big Lots in a navy color. It was so soft and it covered her couch perfectly. And then I found the softest white snowflake pillows and a Believe pillow that I just knew she would love because my grandma is very strong in her faith. So it just made me think of her and what Christmas is all about. And on the mantle, I twisted some twinkle lights around a garland and I hung up some stockings for Gigi and Papa. And I just love how this looks. It's very winter wonderland magical. And this weekend is when my grandma and grandpa will get their tree. They always decorate it together. It's their tradition, so I didn't do that. But I got this really cute blue plaid Sherpa throw that is so soft for my grandpa's chair, just to add a pop of color and tie in with the other decor in the room. And until the tree is up, I lit this candle and even Gigi said it smells amazing. Now for in the dining room, this is where Gigi and Papa have their Bible class, so I just wanted it to be really nice for them and their guests, and I loved how these navy placemats and silver snowflake chargers look together. So I just kept with that glam silver gold navy theme in here. And this way, if she wants to, she could even keep this up through January since it's very winter wonderland appropriate. She can just sort of take away the ornament balls and keep it up for a full 2 months. After I was done decorating, since there was a lot of items with glitter, I wanted to make sure I did a good sweep of the floors for her too. All right, it's time for the decor tour. You have to let me know if you like how everything turned out at Gigi's house for Christmas this year. And I'm curious, which do you like better? Do you like the mantle better, or do you like the dining room tablescape more? And let me know what theme you like better. Do you like their traditional reds and greens that I have at my house, or do you like this more winter wonderland navy, gold, silver, white decor? Honestly, it was really fun for me to do both. But I think the most fun part of this entire video was surprising Gigi and Papa at the end.
Grandpa's got dishes in his hand. She's going to take me dishes.
Well,
It's okay.
oh my goodness,
Oh,
it's
wow.
so lit up.
It's beautiful. Look at
How
Prissy.
festive.
The deer, the trees.
What do you think, Prez?
And I love the couch.
Dee, I thought because you wanted something that fully covered it.
Right.
Sit on it and feel it.
That's
You look
beautiful.
so comfy.
I love it. I love it.
And candles lit.
Yeah, did you see your dining room?
Snowflakes.
Oh,
Oh, candles.
Wow.
Just the smell of the candles is wonderful.
I know, the candles smell good, huh?
it is just so
Let's
festive.
go see what we can.
Oh,
What happened to my curtains?
I had to pull them back so that there was more light in here.
more light.
Wow.
Oh, you could have put this light on too.
Will it be nice for Bible study now?
Well, what is the meal being delivered? And where is it coming from?
Wherever you want.
Wow, very nice.
Bring on the steaks. Prime rib.
Outback?
What do you think, baby? They look pretty?
Very nice.
Do you like it?
I love it.
She wants to give a hug.
Hi, Mama.
And look at Presley's decorations over there.
I saw Presley put some doggies on here. Did you do that?
I just did that one.
You did the kitty cat one?
And come on, what I did. Oh, here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Gotta go shower.
oh no, kitty cat.
Yeah, it's gone. I think Gigi took it off. Do you like it?
I love it. It's very, very nice.
Good.
Beautiful.
Yay.
Oh,
You like it?
looks beautiful, sweetie. You are so talented.
Thanks. Thanks for
you
letting
so-
me do it. I know you're particular, so thank you.
It is beautiful. I love it.
Thanks.
I love it.
Don't forget to tag me while you're watching this video or any of my videos today over on Instagram. And if you end up decorating any spaces in your home, please tag me too so that I can see. I love seeing your decor. And thanks again to Big Lots. It was so cool to partner with you for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this shop with me, clean and decorate with me for Christmas 2019. Click the thumbs up if you did. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye, loves.